Hello everyone and welcome back to Hindi Learning Hub Official. If you are preparing for UGC NET, especially if you are starting your preparation from the basic level, then this video is for you. In our previous video, we introduced UGC NET Paper 1 and discussed its all over syllabus. And in today's video, we are going to take a quick look at all 10 units of UGC NET Paper 2 Hindi. Please remember that this video is only a syllabus introduction and overview. We are not going to study the chapters in details today. In our upcoming videos, we will take each unit separately, explain the concepts in simple language. So let's start. Chapter 1, Hindi Bhasha और उसका विकास. In this unit, you will learn about the origin and development of the Hindi language. We will study हिंदी भाषा का इतिहास, भाषा परिवार, बोलियाँ एवं उपभाषाएँ, देवनागरी लिपि and हिंदी का मानकीकरण. This unit builds your foundation for the rest of the syllabus. So the second chapter is Bhasha Vigyan. This unit introduces the scientific study of language. We will cover Dhwani Vigyan, Roop Vigyan, Vakya Vigyan, Artha Vigyan and Shabda Nirman. Don't worry if this term seems difficult now. I will explain everything in simple language. The third chapter is Hindi Sahityik ka Itihas. Here you will understand how Hindi literature evolved over time. We will discuss Kal Vibhajan, Itihas Lekhan, Pramukh Itihaskar and Sahityik Pravatya. This unit helps you to understand the overall journey of Hindi literature. Our next chapter is Adikal evam Bhaktikal. In this unit, we will study the beginning of Hindi literature and the Bhakti movement. The topic includes Adikal, Bhaktikal, Nirgun Bhakti, Sagun Bhakti and Pramukh Kavi evam unki rachnaएं. Unit 5 is Ridikal. This unit focuses on Ridikal ki visheshtaएं, Pramukh Kavi, Alankar, Kavya Shastra. We will also learn why this period is important in Hindi literature. Our chapter 6 is Adhunik Kal Kavya. In this unit, we will study modern Hindi poetry. Important literary movement includes Bharathendu Yuga, Dwivedi Yug, Chayavad, Pragadivad, Prayogavad, Nai Kavita, Samakalini Kavita. Our next chapter is Adhunik Kal Gadya. This unit covers modern Hindi prose. We will study Upanyas, Kahani, Natak, Nibandh, Atmakatha, Samsmaran or Rekha Chitra. Our next chapter is going to be Pramukh Kavi evam Lekhak. This unit introduces important Hindi writers and poets. We will discuss famous authors like Kabir, Tulasidas, Surdas, Premchand, Mahadevi Varman, Nirala, Agni, Muktibodh and many more. Our chapter 9 is going to be Hindi Alojana. In this unit, you will learn Bharatiya Kavya Shastra, Paschatya Kavya Shastra, Pramukh Alochak, Alojana ke Siddhant. This is an important scoring unit in the exam. Last but not the least, Unit 10 is Anuvad evam Hindi ka Vyavaharik Paksha. The final unit covers practical aspects of Hindi. We will learn Anuvad Siddhant, Rajbhasha Hindi, Prayojanamulak Hindi, Media or Samachar, Computer evam Hindi. This unit is useful not only for the NET exam but also for teaching and professional work. So this was a brief overview of all 10 units of the UGC NET Paper 2 Hindi syllabus. From the next video onwards, we will study each unit in detail, starting with Unit 1, Hindi Bhasha aur uska vikas. If you found this introduction helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to Hindi Learning Hub Official. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss the upcoming unit wise videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.